What's the meaning of brusque? Brusque. Brusque.
Brusque. Brusque. The word brusque refers to a manner of speaking or behaving that is abrupt, blunt, and often appears rude or unfriendly. A person who is brusque may speak or act in a way that seems dismissive or impatient, and they may not take the time to be polite or considerate in their interactions with others. This can often result in causing offense or creating a negative impression, particularly in social or professional situations where diplomacy and tact are valued. People who are consistently brusque may struggle to build relationships or maintain positive connections with others, even if they are skilled or knowledgeable in their field.